This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, everyone. I want to start by thanking everyone who is listening to this recording today. I am Teresa Joubert, and I'm a Client Solutions Consultant with Scale Funder at Ruffalo Noah Levitt, which is the platform that Gardner-Webb University is using to run their Giving Day this year, Double Dog Day. Today, we're going to walk you through what it means to be an ambassador for Double Dog Day, which is happening on April 29th, 2021, so just around the corner. I do have Kim Kruzman on the line. She's part of the Gardner-Webb University team, and she is actually going to kick us off by explaining a little bit more about the day, the theme, and the concept. Kim?
We're excited to have you as an ambassador for Double Dog Day, which is again happening on Thursday, April 29th. And what Double Dog Day is it is our 24-hour celebration of our students, of our Gardner-Webb family, and of funding some of those things that we need to continue to support them and build bright futures for them. This year's theme is Double Dog Day. So on all posts, anytime you want to share your story or why you're giving, or show off your red, black, and running bulldog, use that hashtag Double Dog Day, so we can see your excitement and celebrate with you.
Great, thank you, Kim. So as an ambassador, let's first start by talking about what your job is and why we're asking you to participate as an ambassador. So let's start by thinking about how we make decisions today, especially online. Peer-to-peer reviews are so important. For example, how many times has a Yelp review affected your decision to go somewhere? Or what about buying a product on Amazon? Any other Amazon buyers out there? You're probably not going to buy a product if it only has 1 or 2 stars. I don't know about you, but I always look at those peer reviews and see how many stars a product has before I go through with buying it. Or even if your close friend recommends a new restaurant, you're more willing to give it a try because it was recommended by your close friend that you trust. So in all of these examples on this slide, you're looking at peer reviews. Your goal on Double Dog Day is to act like an influencer, okay? And one reason this works is because we put so much trust in peer recommendations and a concept called social proof. All of the examples on this page illustrate the idea of social proof. Social proof is extremely important because it's the #1 thing people trust the most when making a decision online. As you can see in this graphic, 92% of people trust the recommendations from people they know over everything else. And you can see online consumer opinions comes in second at 70%. It's a little blurry on that slide, but hopefully you get the idea. Your peers know you and they trust you and your opinion. Even your peers you might not know on a personal level, that might just be in your peer group or your network online, they also trust you and what you're posting about Double Dog Day. So on Giving Day, you are the social proof and your opinion matters. When you post on social media or share an email with your friends and family and have a positive conversation about Double Dog Day, you're going to be encouraging others within your network to do the same. So if you're talking about how giving back makes you feel good and it's a good experience for you, you really will make others want to participate as well. So your involvement persuades everyone in your network to click on the link that you're sharing and make their gift too. And that's why ambassadors are so important to the success of a Giving Day. We really need your help reaching as many people as possible. So what exactly does an online ambassador do? How can you get started and be the most effective at promoting Double Dog Day? Your role is to rally the troops. You are inspiring everyone in your network to find something they want to support at Gardner-Webb University on April 29th. There are going to be many different areas that you can give to and that your networks can give to, and you're hopefully going to help your peers find their way to support something they love. The idea here is to make this fun. It is fun. It is a celebration about your university and your experiences and why you choose to give back to Gardner-Webb University, okay? Something to keep in mind is that your networks will be more inspired to give and join you on the day if you're sharing your personal story. So why is Gardner-Webb so important to you? What is the impact it's had on your life or your career? Those are the things that we hope that you as an ambassador will be sharing throughout the day. So how do you do this? How do you use our technology that we have available to you? We're going to talk a little bit more about that next. So really the basic thing here is that we need your help in spreading the word about the day. And it is really very simple. You have the tools. You might have Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You might already be using these on a daily basis. So make sure that you're using them on April 29th as part of Double Dog Day. Ideally, we'd love for you to post on those social channels multiple times throughout the day with different stories about what Gardner-Webb means to you. And then we want you to share your personal fundraising link that you'll get through the platform to send your networks to the Giving Day site to make their gift. The image on this slide, you're probably wondering what that is. That is the ambassador dashboard that you have access to that makes your life really easy as an ambassador. So I'm going to walk you guys through that in a minute too. If you don't have social media, not a social media person, that's perfectly okay. There are other ways we could use your help, okay, in spreading the word about this campaign. Really word of mouth. Call up your friends, family, classmates, and encourage them to make a gift to Gardner-Webb on April 29th. Talk to them about your experiences. Talk to them about why it's important for them to make a gift, okay? You can always go the old-fashioned way and call up those friends and let them know about the day. Now we want to get into the technology. So I mentioned on the previous slide that you'll have access to that dashboard and a personal fundraising link. So I do want to walk you step by step through that and how you get access to that link and the dashboard. I think you'll find that the platform is very user-friendly, and it is designed to help make your job as easy as possible during the day. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't already, is sign up to be an ambassador. There is an entire ambassador page within the Giving Day website. So to sign up, go to doubledogday.gardner-webb.edu, and there will be an ambassador tab in the top right corner. Once you click on that tab, you can sign up using your email or your Facebook account, okay? And then you can use that ambassador page to log into the ambassador dashboard once you've created your account. So after this training today, the first thing you should do is head over to the Double Dog Day website and sign up to be an ambassador. Once you enter your email on that sign up page, you receive this sign up email, which invites you to create your account so you can access the dashboard and get access to your personal fundraising link. All you need to create your account or confirm your sign up is your email address and a password. Once you've created that account, you will receive this welcome email, which includes information about your personal fundraising link. That's that red link in the middle there. And it also has details about how to log into the ambassador dashboard. There's a link underneath Facebook and Twitter. There's a link for the dashboard. You can click on that and navigate over to the dashboard. So once your account's all confirmed and you've signed up, you have access to this dashboard. And the dashboard includes a lot of different information and resources to help you on Giving Day. Near the top of the dashboard page, you'll see these prompts to share. You have 3 social media easy share buttons: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You also have that send email button, okay? And all of these share buttons automatically include your personal fundraising link. So you don't have to worry about copying and pasting the link from your email. You have these easy share buttons right in the dashboard that make it super easy for you to start sharing your link and tracking your progress. Your link is going to send folks to the Giving Day website, and if they make a gift through your link, it's going to count in your totals. We'll talk more about that. As you scroll down in the dashboard, you'll see a couple additional boxes. This is one of them. This box is showing you that you can change your fundraising link to a short URL. So you could add your, I added my first name to the back and then just clicked save. And then I have this nice shortened URL to share in emails or share on social media. Another box you'll see in the dashboard is the referred page dropdown. Your link automatically points to the Giving Day homepage, but when you view this referred page dropdown, you'll be able to see what other areas on the Giving Day site your link could point to. So for example, if you want to point to arts and sciences landing page, you could scroll down and select arts and sciences and click save. The nice thing about the technology is that your donors can actually, or your networks can actually choose to give to whatever area matters the most to them. If they don't want to give to arts and sciences, that's okay. They could give somewhere else. So even if your link points to arts and sciences, they can choose to give to any area on the Giving Day site, and those gifts will still count in your totals as an ambassador. I've mentioned a couple times that within the dashboard, you're able to track your progress, which is probably the coolest part about serving as an ambassador. You can see which of your friends and colleagues are giving back through your link. You'll see the total you've raised. You'll also see a list of your donors, as long as your donors haven't made an anonymous gift. If they choose to be anonymous at checkout, we do respect that privacy, and it does not pull into this list here, okay? You are also able to track how many clicks you've generated from your shares. So you see your total clicks for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We hope that this setup just helps encourage you to share as much as possible. The more chances you share throughout the day, the more chances your friends are going to have to give. If you prefer not to use the easy share buttons in the dashboard that you're seeing on this screen, that's totally fine. Just remember to include your personal link and whatever you decide to post or send through email so it can track back to your totals. I'm going to turn this next slide back over to Kim to walk you through the Ambassador Toolkit materials that are available for download in the dashboard. Kim? Kim, you might be on mute.
Inside your Ambassador dashboard, you will find this toolkit. And inside this toolkit is everything that you need to know to be successful as an ambassador. Inside, what you will find is some sample tweets. You're going to find some sample Facebook copy and copy for some other platforms. You're also going to find information on your profile photo updating that, your Facebook cover photo, and some other resources too. So that way, on Double Dog Day on April 29th, you have the tools you need to share your story and to inspire and encourage others to give. Also in this toolkit, you'll find important dates that are happening leading up to Double Dog Day on the 29th. If you're a student ambassador, be sure to check out the sections that share information on events happening on campus just for you all week long. And then for our alumni, faculty, staff, and friends, pay close attention to some of those challenges that are about the decade you graduated as well. There's some other fun challenges too that include a selfie challenge, as well as a first gift bonus, also a bonus for the furthest away, and some other fun challenges too. So again, be sure to check out all of those challenges and opportunities there as well.
Thanks, Kim. Now to finish up, let's talk about what you should be sharing. What what do we hope that you'll be sharing on Giving Day? We want this to be personal to you, and we really want to encourage you to share your personal story as it relates to Gardner-Webb University. So rather than just sharing your personal fundraising link over and over, it is much better to share personal stories and anecdotes with your fundraising link if you're comfortable doing that. So here are some questions that can help you start thinking about what to share in your emails and social posts on April 29th. First, what are you passionate about in relation to Gardner-Webb? Did Gardner-Webb help you land your dream job? Did you meet lifelong friends or your spouse, your partner there? And then, of course, do you want to pay it forward to help future students? Why do you want to pay it forward to help future students? Sharing that story. You could also think about sharing your favorite Gardner-Webb memories, your favorite place on campus, your favorite class or professor. If you have throwback photos, we love to see those on Giving Day. So share a throwback photo from your time on campus and tag those friends, classmates that are in that photo with you, and get them over to the site making their gift too, right? You could also think back to why you decided to study at Gardner-Webb in the first place, or why you decided to start working there, and share that story as well. These are all things you can easily craft into a personal message or narrative, which make these statements in this campaign so much more impactful and personal to your networks. It's a lot more inspiring for your networks and making your networks want to give when they hear why you love Gardner-Webb so much. We also like to encourage you all to use I statements, which can be really effective for these types of campaigns. So including a statement like, I'm giving because, makes it nice and personal, but it also clearly shows your networks that you have already made a gift and you're supporting this campaign. And then don't forget to, of course, include your fundraising link so they know where to give, but also a call to action. You're asking them to join you in making a gift. Here are a couple social examples from past campaigns, and I'll have Kim just walk through a couple of these examples with you all.
So each of these are past posts from social media ambassadors from different areas. We included these so you could get some ideas and be inspired by maybe a person that has a story that might be similar to yours. On the top left, you'll see a tweet from Holly Hamrick. And what we love about what Holly, who's an alumni, shared is she used some of those graphics that were provided to her in that toolkit. And she's challenging others to give just like her. She's using that Double Dog Day hashtag as well as including her link, and that's very important. So be sure to use your unique link anytime you're posting to social. Below that, you will see a screen capture of a video from a current student who shared the impact of receiving a gift himself, through the generosity of others to inspire, giving in that manner as a student. He's also wearing the Double Dog Day shirt. So whether you're a current student and you're able to get the 2021 Double Dog Day shirt, or you're an alumni with a past shirt, again, wear your red, black, and run and bulldog. Show your spirit in your post too. The next one is a fun one from our School of Business. They are wild, they are crazy, and they love to have fun. So it was no different on Double Dog Day. And they did a dance. They did a fun dance, and they captured it and challenged others to give too. So it's okay to be fun and silly in your posts too. The one above, we also love seeing, in this case, this was all of our past presidents. So we have a mixture of current students and of alumni here, again, wearing the red, white, and bulldog apparel, excited, and all together showing again that they're coming together for that cause. And the last one is one of our favorite ones as well. Here you see a photo of a future running bulldog. So whether you have a future running bulldog in your household, or you have an adorable dog, or maybe a grandparent who's an alumni, it's okay and awesome. We love seeing other members of your family featured as well.
Great, thank you, Kim. So cute, I love all those. So to wrap up, what are the next steps for you all to take to be an awesome ambassador on Gardner-Webb's Giving Day? So first, sign up. So head over to doubledogday.gardner-webb.edu to sign up. Remember that you do need to sign up and confirm your account before you can access that ambassador dashboard. So make sure you head over to the site and do that. The website also has an FAQ section and some other information about Giving Day, so it's good to just go over there and kind of brush up on the theme and the concept and the plans for Giving Day. Start thinking about your Gardner-Webb story, what you want to share with your networks on April 29th, and then don't forget Double Dog Day is the hashtag. We'd love for you to use that so that we can get so that we can see some of what you're posting on the day. And then on April 29th, share, spread the word, shout it from the rooftops. That's our day to really, really get the word out and get people over to the site making a gift. The final slide here includes important contact information. Again, the Giving Day website, and then Kim's email is on this slide as well. So if you do have any questions about this ambassador program or anything related to Double Dog Day, you can contact Kim at her email there. And that's a wrap. Thanks, everyone.